I can't play no more.
Our bed sound?
Alex, you racist ass motherfucker.
It's funny because I'm hanging out with all minorities.
I know. You're the only white guy with us.
Come on, really? I'm always the only white guy. Oh shit. You know what? This pissed me off. It doesn't like this level. What's going on with it? This happened the exact same
Turn on
wall.
the eyes. Or turn off the eyes.
Dude, those balls are working. The garbage is working, dude. That's what you get. You insulted my paint and your gun breaks. Seriously. This is the exact same walk that I took last night.
Just can't get a break.
Scared, but... What the fuck, man? I'm pissed. Try turning it up, turn it back on again?
I've been.
What do you think's the problem? Sounds like it's not getting any air almost.
Is my air tank on?
Sounds like it's not getting...
Yeah, it is on.
Try flushing it, like turn it off and turn it back on with the air pressure.
I know, it almost seems like it's like clogged or something.
I don't remember all that shit down there.
Yeah, it's all been there.
Yeah. No one ever goes down there.
Nah.
So what do you think, left or right? I personally like the left.
Fuck me, goddamn it.
Some gas. Some gas is on. Let's turn it off. Turns off feeding.
It definitely sounds like an electrical problem because like the hopper isn't making any noise. So I don't think it's not getting any ball.
Wrong button.
Every time,
Real
yeah.
quick, switch guns so you can play round 2. That's the fucking worst shit ever.
I know.
Come on.
It was just working too, like 10 seconds ago.
I don't even know what to fucking do here.
Does it normally make that noise?
This is what it was doing last time.
It makes that noise though. Like if it were empty right now and you had air connected, is that the noise it would make? Or no, it would be much louder.
No, it'd be louder.
It'd be like pow, pow.
I turned off the gas. Is it feeding?
Try put just one ball in right there, see what happens. Hey, there's gonna be one of them running straight through the middle.
Huh.
Jam? Looks like that's jam, dude. It's pop.
Go ahead, guys.
Where are you going? Where did Alex go? Fuck.
I just slid down the hill and I saw one guy coming out the blackout and I slid right back up outside.